The Enduro is our classic series reclining seat. It's a perfect option to replace your old or worn out seats in your hot rod, muscle car, VW, or any classic vehicle. To give you a very comfortable ride, the Enduro is constructed with steel tube framing surrounded by a suspension liner with thick molded foam put on top. Since this is a reclining seat, we have two independently locking reclining mechanisms on either side of the seat. This allows the seat to recline forward enough to allow you to get a passenger into a rear seat or compartment, and reclines far enough back to be almost completely flat. We have two versions of the Enduro, one like this, which is with the adjustable headrest, and another which is a low back version with no headrest. To achieve that iconic classic car look, we've added the vertical stitch lines down the center, and like all of our seats, the Enduro is fully customizable with over 60 different colors and materials to choose from. You get to decide on the back, front, center, embroidery, and stitching colors. Head over to statusracing.com and design your own Enduro today.